We are a family-run wholesale whole foods business, selling a whole heap of different whole foods all around Australia. Our cool room operates at 10 degrees Celsius 24/7. So that whole area is solely the main driver for all our power consumption here. We've got so much solar on the roof that we were generating heaps of solar during the day. We weren't utilising that solar during the night time, so our energy costs during the night time was pretty crazy. So next best opportunity was to look at batteries.
So we're very excited today because we're installing the new 110 kilowatt hybrid inverter, which can charge a megawatt of batteries. That's right, a megawatt of batteries. So we're putting in 50 kilowatt hours. They're in 50 kilowatt hour stacks. And so the expandability of this system is what we're excited about.
So for this project, in the PowerKeeper series, they install in a commercial cool room, and its PowerKeeper series can be installed anywhere in between -20 degrees Celsius to 55 degrees Celsius.
They've got a 100 kilowatt system on the roof to support the daytime usage, but they didn't have any storage for night, hence the massive bills. So the PowerKeeper range is going to really help them financially.
Our power bills are roughly $10,000 to $20,000 a month.
So for this business, they're going to have their return of investment, ROI, within a year. So which is amazing actually for this big site here. With the iSolarCloud platform, you can always check your historical data if you want to go back in a previous month, how much it's going to the battery, how much your house is using, how much it is exporting to the grid. It's a free platform for you. You can monitor it 24/7 from anywhere in the world.
So I've actually got a Sungrow inverter at my house, which is good. Seeing what I've seen downstairs so far, it looks pretty impressive. So I'm pretty excited to see the benefits we get in reduced power costs.